special thanks goes to Mr. Don as well as Mr. John Aguiar for taking this initiative to start our OPD at this particular place. Our college started long back in 1998, and as Sir said, it is based at Shiroda, and the founder is of course Sri Subhash Shirodkar, Honorable Chairman for WRD at this moment. And the intake capacity being 50, there is no post-graduation course delivered in the institute as of now, but the plans are going on. The proposal is in the pipeline, because our full thing, the structure of our curriculum, the structure of the lectures, how we have to do it, and academics as well as non-academics is being chopped by our commission, which is situated in Delhi. So the National Commission for Homeopathy, which is constituted in the year 2020, and they give us all the guidelines. So our proposal is being sent to them. There are various procedures. We hope that it will be fulfilled soon, because the basic criteria for us now to join even as a lecturer is the person should have masters, and my students who pass out from my college has to travel outside Goa to do it, because in Goa there is only one college, that is Sri Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College, which delivers the education in this homeopathic system. Now, along with the good quality of education, we also try to impart the feel of social responsibility amongst our students who pass out in a smaller or a larger way. So wherever we conduct camps, we conduct free lectures, we conduct blood donations, we conduct a series of lectures or series of health checkup camps for the students of school going students, because we believe that if any disease or any deficiency is identified at a very small age, then it can be taken care of, and so that they don't have to identify it at a much later age. We also have contributed in a very large way, proud to make that statement, during the COVID. We were felicitated by the government of Goa. We have supplied, I would say, thousands of bottles to the government of Goa. That time arsenic album was given, and then they delivered it to the various places like police, then Mamlatdar office, Goa University. Many offices were covered under the DHS, and the supplier to them was Sri Kamakshi Devi Homeopathic Medical College. Along with that, whenever that isolation camp was being held at different major hospitals like South Goa in or Hospicio in Margao, Asilo in Mapsa, and even there was a center at Shamaprasad Mukherjee, which was totally isolation center, was totally taken care by my students and interns, and for which we are thankful for government for giving us this opportunity also. Now we have in total around 4 peripheral OPDs right now. One is in Karai, where we have adopted that small part of village. The second one is in Boring. Third one, sir and of course the Indian Red Cross Society gave us the opportunity to start it here. And the fourth one soon will be coming up at Goa University. So we are hoping that at every branch of Indian Red Cross Society, if we could do that, then nothing like it.
We will give in Vashko also, if you have got.
Okay.
We have got a place there.
Okay. So that will be nice, because more and more publicity is required now for our system of medicine, as the Ayush cell is already being constituted by the government, and more publicity so that more students take education in this system.
मॅडम डॉक्टर परमनंट असेल तुमच्या
OPD once in a week, Monday morning 9:30 to 1. If then there is a demand, then I will place him a full day also, no problem.
सगळे फॅसिलिटीज फ्री असतील.
हय, मेडिसिन्स आम्ही बेसिकली दिताले ती फ्री आसात सगळी.
तुम्ही किती चेक करतले? बेसिकली जनरल मेडिसिन.
General medicine.
Anything more apart from that?
No, they come with certain things like chronic diseases only. Usually, patient comes to us. We have seen that. So the care will be taken of chronic cases more, and he has done also a specialization in chronic cases. So he is placed here with that aim, so that because we have seen that people come with big files for chronic diseases like arthritis, rheumatism, gout, migraine, skin diseases.
Anything is about kidney stones
Yeah,
and all,
kidney stones.
thyroid and
Yes.
More important is everything will be free of cost.
Yeah.
No rupee charge, neither by the Red Cross, nor by the doctors, nor by the hospital.
all. Very good.
But if in case if they want tonics, because they demand sometimes, we have seen that in other OPD, then we write and give.
आणि समजा in case they have to go to little more specialized treatment or something, they have to be referred somewhere which is not beyond that, then always they could be referred to Goa Medical
Yes.
College or